Hello Stampers, and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. Today I have another one of Laura's quick tips, and this one actually came from a recent class that I had, and I was assembling one of my stamp sets, and some of the ladies were like, whoa, can you show us that again? Because you do it totally different than how I've been doing it, and that is super awesome. So I wanted to show you guys how I assemble my stamps, and hopefully you find it useful for assembling your stamps the next time you get a stamp set. So here I have the Humming Along stamp set. This is from the Occasions mini catalog. You see I have already assembled two of them. These are a cling stamp set, so they're like the clear mount but with the super sticky stickers. And here I have my stamps, so these two actually have not been assembled yet. And then of course you have your sticker sheet. So the way I do it is I simply peel off the sticker, just the backing, and I leave the sticky part on there. So now I have the sticker there. Next, I peel off the sticker on the back of my stamp. And then now, without touching this sticker, because it's super sticky, and once you touch it, it becomes a mess and it has your fingerprint stuck to it and everything, I'm going to place this onto the sticker. So I usually start in one of the detailed corners and then slowly angle it down and set it down until it's complete. And then I press and then pick it up, and your sticker is good to go. So the cool thing about this is, one, you're not touching that sticker, so you're not getting your fingerprints on it. It's not getting sticky and tacky and all over and curling up or anything like that, because you're not actually touching it when it's on the sticker mat here. So the awesome thing about that is no issues with stickiness and getting all over the place. The other thing is it's nice and flat and even on there, rather than trying to stick it on and make sure it's in the right spot while it's in your hand. Instead, you know, it just laid right over that little like cookie cutter image perfectly. One of the other things I wanted to show you, this tends to be the case whenever I have a super small image, and you might peel off one of the stickers and it might start to be popping up on you, and you're like, no, 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 Laura said to leave it on the sticker sheet, but it's coming off. What do I do now? So if that's the case, then I go ahead and I peel off just the one. I go ahead and I peel off the back of this one, and then I stick it down, and it's lined up perfectly. Go ahead and press hard on the side where the sticker is. Go ahead and peel it off. And then now flip this, peel off the back of that. And then we're just going to place it down. Of course, with these super sticky ones, it wants to stick to itself. But now I'm just going to press it back down. So I'm not actually going to pull it over and stick it down, because then sometimes it'll pull too tight and it'll make your stamp a little bit curved because it's pulling that sticker a little bit too tight. So this way it's nice and flat, the way it's supposed to be stamped, and it's nice and stuck on there perfectly. So I hope you found this super helpful whenever you're assembling your cling stamps or clear mount stamps, in case you still have some of those that aren't assembled yet. So just peel off that sticker, pop out the image, and place it right over the top. Oh, I just ripped that sticker. So if you liked this, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out my blog for other fabulous ideas and more of Laura's quick tips. And I will see you guys all next time. Happy stamping. Bye-bye.